Passing package on coordinate geometry part 2. Okay, after watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. Now we will study find the distance between the 2 points. Find the distance between 2 points. Now you take here 2 points, point A and point B. To find the distance between these 2 points, okay, when 2 points are given, point A 2, 3 and point B 6, 6. To find the distance between these 2 points, we should use distance formula. What is the distance formula here? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. By using this formula, distance formula, we can find the distance between these 2 points. Okay, now here first point, here you take x1 what is here? 2, y1 what is here? 3, next you take here x2 6 and y2 6. Nothing is here, only you should remember this formula. When the question asks to find the distance between 2 points, you should remember this formula: square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, now you take x1 value, y1 value, x2 value and y2 value, write in rough column. Then all these values you have to substitute in this formula. Okay, now x2, what is x2 here? 6 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 6 minus y1 3 whole square. 6 minus 2, that is 4 square plus 6 minus 3 square. 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9. Now add these two values 16 and 9, so that is 25. Now you know that square root of 25, what is answer? 5. Okay, plus or minus 5. Okay, square root of 25 answer is plus or minus 5. So here we should take a positive value. Okay, plus 5. Okay, plus 5 units. Length always we have to measure in positive. Okay, so here the distance between these 2 points is 5 units. Understood? So in this second question, same point, find the distance between the points 2, 5 minus 3, minus 7. Okay, same formula you can use. Okay, what is the formula here? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now first one you should take x1 y1, next one you should take x2 y2. So what is x1 here? 2 and y1 what is here? 5. x2 minus 3, y2 minus 7. Okay, then substitute all that values in this formula. x2, what is x2? Minus 3 minus x1 2 whole square plus y2 minus 7 minus y1 5. Okay, whole square. Now here both are negative. When both are negative, keep minus sign and add. Minus 3 plus 2, 5 whole square plus 7 plus 5, 12 minus 12 whole square. When both are negative sign, keep minus sign and add. Then minus 5 whole square, it become plus 25. Then plus minus 12 whole square, 12 12s are 144. Okay, so now add these two, 25 plus 144, so 169. Now square root of 169, that is equal to 13 units. That means the distance between the 2 points, so that is 13 units. Third question on same formula, distance formula. So what is your third question? Find the distance between the points 8, 3 and 8, minus 7. So use same formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here x1, what is here? x1, this one you should take y1, x2, y2. So what is x1? 8, y1 3, x2 8, y2 minus 7. Okay. Now in this formula, substitute all these values. So what is x2? x2 is 8 minus x1, 8 whole square, plus y2 minus 7 minus y1 is 3 whole square. 8 minus 8, 0, no need to write 0 square, then plus minus 7 minus 3, both are negative, keep minus sign and add. So 7 plus 3, 10, 10 square minus 10 whole square, so that it become 10 square is 100. So square root of 0 plus 100, so this is equal to square root of 100. Square root of 100 is 10. So what is the answer here? 10 units. So the distance between these 2 points is 10 units. Question number 4 on distance formula. So what is given here? Find the distance between the points. Here given 2 points. Okay. So first point you should take x1, y1. Second point you should take x2, y2. Now here x1 what is given 2. Y1 what is there 8. x2 what is there 6. y2 8. Then use same formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So in this formula you have to substitute x2, x1, x2, y2, y1 values. Okay, now what is here? x2. x2 is 6. 6 minus x1, 2 whole square. Then plus y2 minus y1. y2 is 8 minus y1 is 8 whole square. Okay. Then 6 minus 2, that is 4, 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 square. Then plus 8 minus 8 is 0, 0 square. Okay, 4 square is 16, then 0. 16 plus 0, that is equal to 16. Now square root of 16, what is the answer? 4. So what is the distance between that 2 points? 4 units. Question number 5 on distance formula. So here 2 points are given, 2 minus 2 and 14, 10. We should find the distance between the 2 points. So we have to use this formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then here x1 is 2, should write 2 here, y1 is minus 2, then x2 is 14, y2 is 10. Okay, now this is equal to, now what is x2 here? 14 minus x1 2 whole square, then plus y2 is 10 minus y1 is minus 2. y1 is minus 2 here. So already here minus is there. Minus into minus it become plus 2 whole square. Now 14 minus 2. What is answer? 12. 12 square. Plus 10 plus 2. 12. 12 square. So 12 square. What is answer? 144. Again 12 square, 144. Okay. Now here how many times 144? 2 times. That means now here what we should do? First you take square root symbol. 2 into 144. Now square root of 144 we know that answer 12. Okay. Then so this can be written as square root of 144, answer is 12, then this root 2 units. Okay, now remaining types of problems you will see in the next video.